Cineraria flowers are the unique and beautiful winter's flowering plants. All you need to enjoy their healthy blooms is to just follow a few simple things. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can grow Cineraria flowers at home. We will talk about its fertilizer, growing season, seed germination, and much more. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. Cineraria flowers are the winter season flowers that bloom very widely, especially in springs. They have many varieties with different colors and shapes. Their flowers are not fragrant. This plant is grown as a decorative plant and is native to South Africa. It's a non-toxic and friendly bloomer that is an annual plant but can be grown as a permanent plant in certain conditions. You can grow them by their seeds very easily. Let's know the whole method. These are the seeds of Cineraria plant. You can sow them in the starting winters in a well-draining and a loose soil mix. While growing any seed, soil mix and seed quality are the two most important things. You can make such a seed starter at home using very simple ingredients, and this will definitely improve the germination of your seeds. A detailed video on making this mixture is linked in the description box and I button. Make sure the seeds are placed with proper distancing and cover them with a fine layer of soil mix. You can also buy good quality Cineraria seeds from the description box link. Water very gently and keep this pot in a partial shade with a lot of indirect sunlight. After around 4 to 6 days, their plants will start popping out of the soil. Remember, you should sow their seeds in the starting winters, because after the germination the seedlings requires a cool season to grow bigger and ultimately bloom. Seeds doesn't care, they will germinate either in springs, summers or rains as long as they get the ideal temperature, but the seedlings will die if they don't get the ideal season to grow after their germination. So it's important to grow seeds right before the growing season of the plant. Hope you get the idea. Now let's know how to care for Cineraria plants. The first and the most important thing for Cineraria flowers care is the season of growth. Means growing them in the right time of the year, as they are the cool area plants, so winter is their growing season and their blooming time continues up to late spring days. But when the temperature gets a little warmer, Cineraria plants grow slow and gradually dies, but still we have around 6 to 8 months of the year to enjoy their beautiful flowers. Cineraria flowers are the flowering plants that likes a wider pot to grow. When they have more space to spread their roots, the plant grow much healthier. You can choose a 7 to 8 inches of pot for a single Cineraria plant. They can be grown in a 4 to 5 inches of pot, but more space means better growth and more flowering. So choose a good size pot. Some of them are also linked in the description box to buy. Another important thing in Cineraria plant care is their soil mix. Overall, it's a hardy plant that can be grown in a simple soil mix only with a good drainage. Waterlogging problem can badly affect its flowering and growth, so it will be a better choice to provide it a good soil mix. You can mix these ingredients and use for your Cineraria plants, or you can also buy a ready-to-use soil mix from the description box link. Just make sure the soil is not hard and not blocking the moisture from draining out of the pot. Another important thing in Cineraria plant care is their sunlight requirements. So it's a flowering plant, obviously it likes a sunny spot to grow and bloom. Sunlight promotes new buds on the plant, while a dark area not only affects its blooming but also attracts pests like aphids and spider mites. You should give it at least 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight, but you can also expect good growth on your Cineraria plants if they are placed only in an hour of direct sunlight. Just avoid putting them in a shade. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Cineraria plants don't have as such many problems. Pests like aphids and spider mites can attack, especially in springs, but that's rare. You can simply use a weekly Neem spray routine to keep all type of pests away from your plants. A detailed video on Neem pesticide making and applying is added in the description box. Must check that out. Cineraria plant also requires a proper fertilization for its healthier blooming. You can simply use cow dung compost at the younger stage, but when it starts blooming, you need to provide it some phosphorus and potassium. I have made an organic fertilizer for flowering plants and it works really well. You can check out a detailed video on this topic linked in the description box and I button. Remember, fertilizer can boost flowering, but the ultimate flower booster is the ideal season. So it's all about Cineraria flower plant care. Consider it growing, as it's a hardy and low maintenance plant with unique flowers. The only disheartening thing about this plant is that it's a seasonal plant that ultimately have to die. So here is a video on some different but very unique and hardy flowering plants that can live for years with you. Must give it a try and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.